Okay, in this lesson we are going to do exercise 1. So Control N to start. Let's click it, Control N, create body, create sketch, XY plane. Okay, we've got that one. Now we are going to use the line tool to draw a few lines like this. Click there, click again, click to stop, click to start, click to stop, click to start, and there we are. So then we press the right mouse button to get out of the drawing tool, and we can see that those points are not coincident at the moment, so we click to make them one single point. The same with these two, click to make one single point with that little button there, and again click and click to make one single point. There we go. Okay, so we're going to do two things now to start with. We are going to equal two lines and we're going to parallel two lines. So we say this line and this line is parallel, and then we're going to say this line and this line is equal. Okay, now what we can do is we can say, okay, we're going to give the measurements because we've got 2 degrees of freedom, so we're going to use the parallel and horizontal constraint, the vertical and horizontal constraint. So first, horizontal constraint, click there from the origin point to there. We set it to 50. Good. Set it to 50, it will change the whole thing. There we go. And then we click there and to the origin point again. And for the vertical constraint, cancel. Let's just do this again. Escape. We click there, there, and there for this one, and we make it 40. There we go. Now we have a rectangle. So I can move this one to the side, and I can move this one to this side, and this is what it looked like when it is done. So what did we do? We equal. There's two lines that are equal. These two lines are parallel. Then all we need to do is set the distance from the origin point to one side and the distance from origin point to the other side. And we've got a fully constrained rectangle. You can close this thing. That's what it looked like. We go to model there, click on sketch, and then click on extrude, and there we go. We've padded it. And as you can see, we can pad it up a little bit more, like that or like that. Great, this is exercise 1. I hope that makes it a little bit more clear. Thank you.